अस्सलामु अलैकुम व रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातुहू। तर्जुमा पर सलामती हो, अल्लाह की रहमत और उसकी बरकतें हो। नहमदुहू व नसल्ली अला रसूलिहिल करीम। अम्मा बाद, respected elders, the great favor and mercy of Allah that He granted us. Iman, no the blessing of Allah can equal the blessing of Iman. The day will continue as long as these people with Iman. The day when not a single person with Iman will remain on the face of earth. Allah Ta'ala will destroy the whole universe. However, we have to realize that Iman has to be learned. Once the Iman is learned, its reality and importance enters our heart. Then to practice and accept of deen will become easy. On the other hand, if the Iman is weak, then to practice and accept of deen will become difficult. The Sahaba Radhiyallahu Ta'ala used to say, first we learn Iman, then we learn the Quran. Therefore, it is necessary to sacrifice our time and wealth in the order of learning Iman. May Allah Ta'ala accept us for the effects of learning Iman. Ameen. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. तर्जुमा पर सलामती हो, अल्लाह की रहमत और उसकी बरकतें हो।